Let's start with the basic syntax. Here we have PHP text escaping from HTML, instruction separation, and then comments. Let's start with PHP text first. When PHP parses a file, it looks for opening and closing tags, which are less than sign, question mark, PHP, and question mark, then greater than size, greater than sign, which tell PHP to start and stop interpreting the code between them. Parsing in this manner allows PHP to be embedded in all sorts of different documents, as everything outside of a pair opening and closing tags is ignored by the PHP parser. PHP includes short echo tag less than sign question mark equal to, which is a shorthand to the more verbose less than question mark PHP echo. So let's see how we can write the PHP code. So let's write a simple code. Let's name is one dash text dot php. Let's paste it. So here you can see that we have make it simple, php echo hello world, and here it is. So let's run it. Let's open this file. Here you can see that now hello world is displayed on the screen. So this is a basic syntax to write a PHP code. You can write it like this also. Here it is. What if I remove that semicolon? You can write it like this also. And with what if I have entered the closing tags? So yes, you can write it like that also. Consider this as a single line. Now what if I remove the closing tag? So here you can see that it's telling me that unexpected end of file expecting semicolon. So how we can solve it? By just adding semicolon. So we don't require the closing tags. Okay. So say now what if we write it like that? Yes, we can write it like that, and let's write it like that without closing the tags. So here you can see that it says a syntax error, unexpected end of file. So basically we can write PHP between the HTML, also write HTML inside the PHP, we can also write the short tags like that in PHP. Here it is. So there are many ways how we can write the code inside the PHP. So uh, here they are showing that, as we have seen, that we have write short tags, we have write this tag, also we have write echo, and we have also write uh, no, we didn't write like that. This is called short tags. Let's see by writing it, is it working or not. Here you can see that we are not writing PHP till now. What we have write is write it like that with the equal to sign, and now we are writing it without PHP. Now let's see what will going to happen. So it's working also. So basically we can also close that tag, that way of writing, by disablling it from our php.inf file by finding the short open tag and set it to false. So we will able to write, we didn't able to write it like this. After we will going to disable this feature. Okay, so here it is. You can see that we didn't have uh, add the closing tags. So what is the benefit and why we do that, by not adding the closing tag? If a file contains only PHP code, it is preferable to omit the PHP closing tag at the end of file. This prevents accidental white space or new lines being added after PHP closing tag, which may cause unwanted effects, because PHP will start output buffering and there is no intention from the programmer to send any output at the point in the script. So that's why it is good to not adding the closing tag when you have only PHP in the file. Here like that, you can see that if we have only PHP in the file, then we don't have to add the closing tag. Whereas if we add some text here, then we have to add the closing tag, otherwise it will give us parse error. If I add it like that, then it will going to run it. So that's the basic syntax, how we can write a PHP by using the tags.